Right, how to score 1 mark in audit and assurance, okay? Really, really important. I think this is possibly where a lot of people go wrong in audit and assurance. They write down their knowledge super quickly and they don't get all the marks. They think they've got 100% and they only come out with 50% because they're not exactly sure how to get 1 mark. So, let's say the question is describe the preconditions for an audit. And that's 4 marks. Now that is normal knowledge, really. Now the question is though, how do I get the 4 marks? Well, 1 mark is 1 point, but that 1 point that you make must be well described, which begs the question then, what is a well described point? Let me show you. Management should confirm their preparation of financial statements. So we're looking at the preconditions of an audit and we've got it right. This is exactly what it should be. Management should be aware and they should confirm to us that they're going to prepare the financial statements. Now, most students would think, fantastic, there's my mark, this exam is easy, I'm getting 100%, but in fact they're only getting 50% because anybody can confirm their preparation of financial statements. That's not enough. My dog could have a go at preparing financial statements. The key is those financial statements must be in accordance with some applicable framework. Like you must do it in accordance with IFRSs. Okay, so it's that extra description that's going to get you the mark. Make sure you're describing it fully and then you'll get the full mark. Also be really careful that you're answering the right question because the preconditions of an audit, for example, isn't the same as pre-acceptance procedures. So you might say something like adequate staff were available, no marks, because that's the preconditions for an audit might already be there. Now you're just looking, right, can we accept this audit? And that's not what this question's about. Get professional clearance from previous auditors. That's not what this question's about. That's all pre-acceptance. This is the precondition of an audit. So let's have a look again at what some good answers would be. What we should do is determine whether the financial reporting framework, i.e. IFRSs, that are used in preparing the financial statements is acceptable for this audit. Or is IFRS the right thing to use? Or are they just using their own set of standards which are nonsense? Okay, so 1 mark. You might say, look, what management should do is provide the auditor with access to all information that they're aware of that's relevant to the preparation of the financial statements, such as records, documentations and other matters. Do you agree that's really well described? The marker has no choice but to give you 1 mark. So to wrap all this up, in order to do well and to score 1 mark in AA, ACCA and really show the marker that you understand, you must describe fully each 1 mark. Don't take too long, don't go too far on it, but do the best you can, and then remember, always focus on the question. Don't try and answer the question you wish you were set, because that won't score you any marks. Good luck with AA, folks.